Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In this video I share with you how to make Nigerian chinchin. It's a very simple recipe with few ingredients and I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl I'll add 4 cups of plain flour. To it I'll add a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of vanilla flavor, a teaspoon of nutmeg. So I'm going to go ahead and combine it well until it's well incorporated. Next I'll add 2 medium eggs, I'll also add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it well with my clean hands until it's well incorporated. Next, I'm going to gradually add some fresh milk and continue to mix it until it forms a dough. And please remember to subscribe, like and share if you are enjoying this recipe. Next, I'll transfer it onto a flat surface and I'm going to cut it into half. Next, I'm going to roll it out with the rolling pin and I'll flatten it out and cut into smaller tiny shapes. And you can also cut it into any shapes of your choice. Next, I'll go ahead and deep fry it until it's golden. So this recipe is very simple and delicious as well, with just a few ingredients. So at this point it's well cooked. I'll now transfer it onto a paper towel. So this is a very simple Nigerian chinchin recipe. Very easy to make with few ingredients. And I hope you'll give it a try. And please remember to subscribe, like and share if you like this recipe. So at this point we are all done. This is a very simple Nigerian chinchin recipe. Thank you all so much for watching and I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.